Let's enhance old Instagram photos to high quality to preserve old memories in under 2 minutes, starting now. Instagram has been around for 16 years. In 16 years, a lot has changed in terms of the quality of the images a normal user can produce. And the difference is huge. I mean, my first Instagram photo was taken with an old Android phone, and it looks like this, for example. The quality has nothing to do with what new phones can produce. However, it could be nice to bring old photos back to life, either as a nice anniversary present or a fun Instagram post. With the advancement of AI technology, this is a really simple task, and this video is all about showing you how it's done. We'll be using the UniConverter, so in case you don't have it yet, grab it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Look for the Image Enhancer AI tool. This tool can enhance up to 20 images at a time, using several functions simultaneously. What I'll need to do to these images is the following: overall quality enhancement, making things sharper, upscaling, giving them a bigger resolution, and color correction. So let's get started. On the right side here, I'll switch on the auto enhancer, the color correction, and the upscaler function. For the upscaler, I'll need to choose an upscaling ratio as well. I'll go with 4 times, which will result in a high enough resolution for me. Now, bear in mind that the same settings will be applied to all of the photos on your batch list. Finally, select an output folder and click on Export All. Alright, here are the results. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.